Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the? What the absolute f are you doing?
Why you treating me like this? God damn, bro. Holy.
Protein salsa verde tortilla chips, or grab a Simple Truth protein energy bar or flavored protein water when you're on the go. Stop by Kroger.
One time I put family on it, and I was gonna put family drama, but I was like, no. Buddy.
Adoring hearts. He sees you, he's with you, and he is for you.
Find out more about Pastor Derwin Gray on the Mekelaxo.
Another sleepless night I can't explain. Somebody said they heard me call your name. The radio won't let you hear my name. No, 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 no.
referral code. I'm just saying I don't have one. But there's a lot of people talking. There's an official bounty for point posting thing. A lot of bounty. I'm actually afraid there are.
That we could ever dream in danger of a true romance. Bodies left to bleed, they all
Christ. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Grandma? Oh, you gotta love that. 6:15 in the morning and you're going the wrong way. Turn around, you idiot!
Yeah, because I want to try to go to good. Don't even stop.
Don't stop. Go! 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 Stupid!
Yeah, you embarrassed? Was my camera working?
That'll happen, obviously, the movies, but when this comes out, we'll have been released. But right now, I'm just kind of staying away from the court, and then I show up and they don't. Right. Did you give any of these people that you based on
anything? Jenna was shocked into silence, and the rat stranglers took her silence for permission to invade Spitfire's kennel. They swarmed up the ramp, and in no time at all, they were raking through.
Holy bro!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.